green T-E may seem like a familiar sound, and yet many people lack the confidence to say words like sheet and beach. So let's use vowel yoga to figure this out. Starting at green T-E, we know we can come down. Yeah. Now, if we use a partial movement and stop in silver, that's going to lead us to the right place. Yeah. Now, in this place, if we go backward, E, we'll be actually producing a strong green sound that is what English speakers expect. So let's try that. E. My jaw is coming up into green and my tongue is flexing. So go ahead and move it. Green tea, go to the beach. Get a sheet of paper. I believe in you.